Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets a little more visually interesting or just easier to read, maybe you need to fit more columns on the screen or add a touch of style to your headers, then today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to write vertical text in Google Sheets and how to easily change the direction of your text using text rotation features. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how your data looks and feels, whether you're making a class list, a budget, or organizing anything else. All right, let's jump straight into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Sheet and type a word or a phrase into a cell. For example, let's say you're making a schedule and you want the days of the week to run vertically at the top of your columns. Just type maybe Monday into the first cell of your header row. Now, before doing anything else, you need to select the word you just typed. To do this, just click directly on the cell that contains your text. If you're new to spreadsheets, selecting a cell is like telling Google Sheets, "Hey, I want to work with this one." You'll know you've got it because you'll see a blue highlight around the box. Next, let's head to the top of the screen. This is your main menu where all the magic tools are. Look for the icon up there that looks a little bit like a diagonal letter A with a curved arrow. That's the text rotation icon. If you hover your mouse over it, you should see a pop-up that says text rotation. Go ahead and give that a click. It's okay if it takes a second to find. Sometimes the toolbar gets crowded, but just remember, it's usually right near your text formatting options like bold, italic, or text alignment. When you click the text rotation button, you'll see a small drop-down menu appear. This is where things get interesting. You're going to notice several different ways you can tilt or rotate your text. For vertical text, you can choose the option labeled rotate up or rotate down. Try clicking on rotate up, and instantly you'll see your word now running vertically along the side of your cell. This can be super helpful for making column headers that don't gobble up a lot of space, letting you squeeze in more information horizontally. And if you want a different effect, you can play around with the other options like stack vertically, which separates each letter on its own line, or you can adjust the precise angle if you want something less than fully vertical. In the dropdown, there's an option called angle where you can set an exact number of degrees for your rotation. So if you want your text at precisely 45 degrees, or maybe a dramatic 90-degree tilt, you can set it to whatever looks best for your spreadsheet. And really, that's all there is to it. Just type your word, select the cell, click the text rotation icon, and pick the style you want. You'll find it gives your data a lot more flexibility, especially when you're working with big tables and want to keep things neat and readable. Hopefully, this will help your spreadsheets look a lot more professional and even easier to understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any other questions about Google Sheets or if you run into any issues with text rotation, just drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. I do my best to answer everyone. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.